All right, on number 15, I'm going to multiply everything by the denominator. Instead of getting a common denominator, I'm going to eliminate the denominator. And so you look down there and you have an x times x minus 4. So all of this is going to be multiplied by x times x minus 4. But you know what? I just saw something. I'm going to erase that. I just noticed something. It's a little bit tricky. These x's eliminate already, and so this isn't going to be a difficult problem at all. You have x minus 3 over x minus 4, and I'm subtracting 4 from both sides, and you end up with negative 1, and so you can cross multiply. You have x minus 3 over x minus 4 equals negative 1 over 1, and just multiply across. So we have x minus 3 equals negative x plus 4. I'm going to add x to both sides, and you have 2x minus 3 equals 4. Add 3 to both sides, and you have 2x equals 7. Divide by 2, and x equals 7 over 2. We sought to check for extraneous solutions, and what makes this denominator equal to 0 is 4. X cannot be 4. What makes this one equal to 0 is 0. X cannot be 0. Since we have 7 over 2, or some of you will probably write 3.5, which is fine, your answer is good. There is no extraneous solutions. Okay, on number 16, I'm going to rewrite this, and it's 12 over x times x minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 2 equals 3 over x. If I multiply it by what would be the common denominator, I'd be multiplying it by x times x minus 2. Okay, the first fraction, the entire denominator cancels with what we're multiplying it by, and you end up with 12. On the next fraction, x minus 2 cancels, but the x stays there, so it's minus 3x equals, in the last fraction, the x's cancel, and you're left with 3 times x minus 2, so that's going to be 3x minus 6. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides, and you have 12 equals 6x minus 6. Add 6 to both sides, and you have 18 equals 6x. Divide everything by 6, and x equals 3. Okay, let's go back and check for extraneous solutions. What would make this equal to 0 would be x squared minus 2x. This, an x factors out, which is going to give us exactly what we already got. So we have x is 0 and x is 2, and that's what x cannot be. So that would be 2 and that would be 0. X can't be either of those numbers. We got x to be 3. We have no extraneous solution.